Look at
This is my
this.
biggest flathead of the
That's
year.
a mud. That's
Mud
a
cat.
mud cat.
Yeah,
Okay.
flathead. This is like a 25 pounder.
Fucking cool.
Wait, no, this is even bigger than 20. This is like 30.
Wow.
I caught a 30-pound catfish.
Yeah? Ain't that sweet.
You smell.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Can't let him get out.
Gotta get that hook out. Slide off for you. Stick the fucking hook in here.
This is
So
him.
when you do get it up.
Just caught this 35-pound flathead.
35.
Yeah, 35-pound flat. Ooh. Gonna release him.
Oh, and now yours is going off, so now you gotta...
Let him go. You got another one.
Let's see, what do you catch?